Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Natasha coming back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. Nice to see you again. How you doing? What are you drinking? Are you willing to share? In today's video, I am going to restyling my old lazy girl knotless crochet style that I did in my previous video. You guys can go check that out. It was bomb.com. Hey, you will not regret it. I got a lot of your content. Y'all can go watch it of, you know, stuff that y'all can vibe with. Besides the point, like I said, I'm going to do a how to restyle a crochet braid on tapered hair. I just cut a little bit, moisturized my scalp a bit, did a little makeup a bit.
I don't like where this is going. Stop! Stop! No, 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 no.
And here I am, and this is the look. A bam, a what, a who, a yes. Yeah, girl, yeah. Y'all wanna leave the house in like tip-top time, tip-top shape. That's what they usually say, that tip-top time. But still, if that's something you're interested in, then just continue watching this video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Ding. Don't forget to, of course, share with a friend, with a family member, or just share it on your social platform. It will be greatly appreciated. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more content ideas, or just to keep up with me, just to see what I'm doing. And if y'all don't see me posting anything, like, hit me up on my social and be like, girl, what's happening? Where are the videos? Don't be scared to, because then you guys will, you know, keep me in tip-top shape, because sometimes I do fall off the wagon. It takes me a while to get back up, but you know, when you do fall, just get up, just do it.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
Just do it. But yeah. I guess I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.